Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video you will know how to pay by USDT through credit card on GSMFastest. Enter the amount in dollars. If paying with a card, ensure you transfer at least $30. Choose the payment method. For TRC20, scan the QR code. To pay with a credit card, click Pay with Credit Card, choose your currency, and complete the process. Once done, you'll receive a success message indicating the transaction is successful. I hope this video was helpful. Like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. Thanks for watching.